This is the HK85. It's a really nice watch. It's an ambient display watch. It's always on display, and it's an AMOLED device, so beautiful, rich blacks and bright colors. You've got lots of capabilities with this one, all these different functions. Bluetooth calling is in this one, streaming music from your phone, all of that. Forecast is shown, alarms are in here, brightness, and of course your settings and do not disturb. All the information you need. Come up, any notices pushed from your phone will appear here, and they can push right to the screen immediately. You don't have to check them either. You got a heart rate, and it'll show you your highest and your lowest, and compute it and show you your resting heart rate as well as your current heart rate. You've got your step count information, stress levels, and these are instantaneous readings. When you land on it, it starts measuring. It takes about a minute or so. You've got blood oxygen. It'll do the same thing, immediately start measuring. Last night's sleep time with a breakdown of deep, light, and awake. And a music player integrated with the phone, of course, that you can set to play through your watch or toggle it to play through the phone back and forth with the adjustment right here for volume. You have, the weather in your area, Fahrenheit, centigrade, see it just updated with UV information, an overall forecast, and things like wind speed, humidity, visibility, the most elaborate one I've seen. Then you have your you can add these different cards on here, your contacts, call history, and a dial pad if you want to place a Bluetooth phone call. And of course, a breathing, inhale, exhale, mindfulness kind of relaxation app as well. Ladies, you can set this up to track your period. Woohoo! And you can add or subtract from the list there. And of course, you can go either direction to get to all of those. Press here, you get into your menus, the calling information, your overall sports, which, by the way, you can press the bottom button to activate here. All the different activities that you can do, cycling, climbing, yoga even in this one. The things we've already seen, all of your callings and heart rate and stress. You do have blood pressure. Activate that. It'll give you your systolic, diastolic. You've got breathing exercises again, the music, the weather, remote camera. You do have a stopwatch in this one that will remember where you were when you leave it and come back to that point. Countdown timers, world clock that you can set for whatever cities you want, and check it out, the stock market, updated with the current information on whichever, something happened in Meta today, wow, whatever stocks you want to track. The standby dial, this is where you can change that ambient display from analog to digital or turn it off. And basic settings, a calculator is built into this one. Change the themes. Instead of looking at them as a list, you can look at it bubbles or circles, you name it. An overall calendar, which is just kind of a weekly or a monthly calendar. Your sports records, and we're rotating around again. So when you're on your watch face, you can change it to one of several different ones. All kinds of faces in this watch. Some even have active buttons that you can tap to go into the different activities, and you can change the background colors. Really elaborate. This is the digital ambient display, and it comes with a really nice TPU type band. It's nicely sealed, IP68. You can swim with this one, cold water bathing, any of that stuff. The round knob here, a pill form knob there, and your choice of any face that you'd like to look at. It's called the HK85. Check it out.